This is the foam set, part of the Nicholas Lodge brand products. This is a 4-piece foam set. So first of all, the size of these, they're all 4 inches by 4 inches in size. And this foam set, first of all, this is the piece of green foam. This is used when I do cake classes. I use this, for example, for drying things like lettering and small things done with patchwork cutters or tappets. I also use this to hold my cake when I'm doing things like embossing and when I'm doing texture onto a cake. So I use this for many different uses. The grey piece of foam, which is the thin piece of foam here, has a small hole. So when I'm building flowers like roses or flowers with smaller, thinner wires, this is what I put the petal on, and I then pull the flower through the hole, and then use this as sort of a working station, a platform underneath the petal. So generally I use this one a lot for roses. And third piece of foam, which is the black piece of foam, as you can see, this has got a larger hole. So this is useful for, say, bigger flowers like magnolias or peonies, where we're using a much thicker wire and stem. But again, we use this as a sort of for building the flower onto so the wire goes through here. And then finally, this is a piece of thicker foam. And again, I use this when we're doing flower making, for cupping petals, and for doing certain things. When we do roses, I cup the petals onto here. So using my medium pin or my balling tool would cup onto here. And then I would then put the flower onto the gray one with the hole in to build the rose onto the cone. So I use these in all of my classes. And depending on what type of flower I'm making will determine whether I use the green or black foam. And then the green foam is very useful for many other applications. So this is the 4-piece foam set.